Let's go hiking in London. Fancy joining? Osterley Park walk hello urban adventurers. Ready to explore some of the loveliest nooks and crannies of London? Brace yourselves for a 10.4-kilometre journey that, surprise, is quite easygoing. Perfect for everyone from newbies to seasoned pros. Highlights of the trail: Osterley Park. Picture a park with gardens that are just begging to be photographed, lush woodlands, and a lake that's absolutely breathtaking. That's our starting point. Tentelow Woodland. Got a soft spot for flowers? This birch and oak forest dons a vibrant palette come spring. Grand Junction Canal. Traverse this historic canal and saunter through the Glade Lane Canalside Park. Perfect for those serene waterside snaps. 3 bridges and Hanwell Flight of Locks, where history and engineering meet. Plus, you'll catch a glimpse of the old Hanwell Insane Asylum, which now serves as Ealing Hospital. Warncliffe Viaduct, the grand finale. A viaduct that quite literally makes you look up in awe. Keen to join? Here are the basics. Time, 10:30 a.m. Duration, 4 hours. How to get there? Tube. The nearest station is Osterley Station on the Piccadilly line, just 17 minutes from Hammersmith. Overground. Hanwell's your spot on the Overground. Coming from Paddington? You'll be there in 15 minutes tops. Bus. The 207, 237, 260 and H90 routes will drop you close by. Car. There's parking at Osterley Park, but it's a good idea to get there early. A few tips for the trail. Stay hydrated and pack some snacks. Make sure you're wearing comfy trainers. Slap on some sunscreen. Better safe than sorry. Keep an eye out for the bugs. Stick to the main path. It's your best mate on this hike. And if you're bringing your furry friend, please keep them on a lead at all times. Catch you at Osterley Underground Station at 10:30 a.m. Looking forward to a smashing hike with you lot. Let the adventure begin. Club Hiking in London, in collaboration with Saturday Walkers Club.